Morning students, hope all of you are able to do watch your Microsoft Teams live event of your main subjects, and able to do assignments in Google Classroom and submitting on time. Today in this video we will discuss about the chapter 3 presentation visual effects. Last two videos we are having last two parts of the video we discussed about first part as computer hardware which contains internal and external hardware. Here we discuss second video we discuss about the chapter 2 word processor mail merge, what is the importance of mail merge and what are the steps in creating of mail merge and how to create mail merge. Based on that we done two assignments based on chapter 1 and chapter 2. Again the third chapter is also very simple chapter which you are learning from early classes onwards. Presentation visual effects. In this chapter we are going to learn visual effects in presentation, graphics and animation explains through the MS PowerPoint. Everyone know by seeing this window you are able to get now MS PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint is mainly the powerful tool from the Microsoft Office. It is for expressing or communication of views in the forms of tables, graphics, animation, slides, transitions, different pictures, different objects and different hyperlinks. So we can express our views in very effective and graphically, visually, graphically with including videos and audios, all can be inserted in this tool. Okay, this is a very powerful tool which will be used from all the academic activities, all the business activities, almost all the organizations. Wherever which field you go, you have to work with this PowerPoint. I should not tell more discuss or I should not give more introduction about PowerPoint. Everyone know, and what we are going to learn in this presentation visual effects of this particular PowerPoint is that mainly we will see the different views of the PowerPoint, how to apply the different animation and text, and how to insert audio, how to insert video or media clip, or how to insert a hyperlink or action object, and how to insert object source from the other external source in the PowerPoint. So these are the main topics we are going to cover. Most of you know after end of this video or end of this chapter we'll have to create the quiz which we are using in our making of our co-curricular activity quiz, inter-house quiz competition. Okay, at the end of the show everyone should learn, everyone should know about how to create the quiz using the PowerPoint in an effective way, okay, in interactive way. So by seeing this window everyone is able to remember this is the presentation. It contains home, insert, design, animation, science, slideshow, review, view, Nova, PDF, and so it's a different, it will not come in every one, okay, format. So views, this is the basic view or the normal view where it contains slides and outline. Are you able to see slides and outline page where it contains outline and slide? Here you can write the notes also. The default view, slide slotter view, number of views you will get. Can if your presentation contains 20 slides, then the slide will be shown all in the slide sorter view. Notes page, yes, you can do the notes of individual slide by writing the text on the individual slide. Slide show, that everyone know, is you will get the full screen, okay. Then after slide master is the master slide, उसका master का अंदर उसका तो नीचे slide आएगा, कौन सा slide इसका नीचे आना चाहिए वो सब आएगा, ठीक है. Next handout master, handouts, that when you want to take the printouts, so in a one page how many slides you want, 2 slides, 4 slides, 3 slides, so based on that you can take the printout for the handouts for taking the printout. तो स्लाइड ओरिएंटेशन पोर्ट्रेट में जाना तो पोर्ट्रेट में आएगा और लैंडस्केप में जाए तो लैंडस्केप में आएगा. हैंड आउट ओरिएंटेशन लैंडस्केप में तो लैंडस्केप में विल गेट and portrait you will get, and page setup you can set at A4, A3, all things you can get. And notes master of the individual slide, you can make the notes of the individual slide of the particular slide. These are the mainly views of the slides. So everyone know slide is a page which can be inserted a text or table or audio or video or a hyperlink or some object. So animation, some entrance effect, some exit effect, some transitions. So these are all things we can apply in a slide. Yes, everyone know. Now we will discuss about animation and animating the text and object. How to animate the text and object. See, yeah, that's a slideshow is a on-screen presentation of information, ideas presented on slides. So on-screen presentation of your ideas, expressing your ideas in a different view, including graphics and all types of media. Yes. A slideshow enforces the ideas, commands, solutions or suggestions presented in the slide. So it enhances our skills, our presentation skills and our communication skills. It will improve and make the audience attention. Adding special effects to the presentation increase the impact on audience. Yes, adding the special effects makes the impact, paying attention to the audience. So what is the difference between the slide and the presentation? Yes, everyone knows slide is a one individual page in the presentation. Presentation is a document which contains 10 minimum 5 to 10 slides. So applying animation effect, the ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in all directions of the slide is called animation. So to move the text, graphics, charts, logos in different directions is called animation. The motion is called as animation. We can animate text or objects in presentation by applying the sound effects or visual effects, including the movement also. So हम लोग जो objects को, text को हम लोग को visual effects और sound effects भी add कर सकते हैं. Yes or no? Yes, no. Animation is very helpful when we wish to focus on important points. Yes, when important point को focus करने के लिए animation बहुत role play करता है. It also controls the order of flow of information and helps to increase the audience interest. मतलब presentation करने से क्या है, audience को interest रहता है. Different animations, different visualizations. If you see, you will get paying attention audience. To make specific changes to the movement of text and objects, open the custom animation. मतलब specifically एक पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट को और पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर एनिमेशन करना स्लाइड का अंदर में जो टेक्स्ट को करना है तो आप कस्टम एनिमेशन करके ओपन करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, ओपन एनी प्रेजेंटेशन, देन select the object you want to animate. Select the object which you want to animate. Choose the animation effect. See their animation. Then click on custom animation. Yes, they are able to see. So then after add effect. Then after you are seeing the add effect, click on add effect. Then after entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path, ऐसा करके drop down menu आया था. Click on, if it is first slide, you go for the entrance effect, or if you want emphasis effect, you can go for emphasis effect. Or you want exit effect you can choose. So there are different types of effects. You are able to see that all effects can be used for that particular text inside the slide. A PowerPoint applies the effect. After that, auto preview box will be checked. PowerPoint automatically provides you with a preview of the animation which you applied on the particular object. So on click, you will get the choosing the modifying of how to that start का टाइम में on click से आना चाहिए और automatic चाहिए, किस तरह direction में चाहिए और speed कितना चाहिए वो सब you can get. Okay, very fast, medium, slow. So like that you can change your speed, direction also horizontal, vertical. Start also by clicking or automatically like that you can change. So these are all things which you can do in the custom animation bar. Okay, speed field is used. Select to the speed from very slow to very fast and under modify section. Click a play button at the down of the preview, then you can see the preview button. Okay, that itself is the applying animation to the text. So the tip, we can use the reorder option to change the order of the different objects. तो रीऑर्डर कर भी सकते हैं, मतलब एक स्लाइड का अंदर में अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट को किया तो उसको ऑर्डर भी रीऑर्डर भी कर सकते हैं. कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट पहले आना चाहिए और कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट को क्या एनिमेशन देने हैं, इतना फास्ट आना चाहिए, वो सब दिखा सकते हैं. To remove an item from the custom animation, select the object and click on remove button. बस अगर जो आइटम को, जो ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर एनिमेशन का जरूरत नहीं है तब सीधा राइट क्लिक करके उसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं कस्टम एनिमेशन पैन में. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, एडिंग ट्रांजिशन. How to add the transition? Yes, transition will be applied to the slide. Slide में different transitions are there. See, transition are used to add visual effects to the slide. So अभी तक हम लोग animation और the custom animation जो किया है, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स और टेक्स्ट इनसाइड और द मीडिया विच आर इंसर्टेड इनसाइड द स्लाइड को किया है और द ट्रांजिशन इज वी आर अप्लाइंग टू द स्लाइड. ओके क्लियर. Transition effects are the movements you see when one slide changes to another slide show view. मतलब ऐसे एक स्लाइड से एक स्लाइड जाते समय में इस ट्रांजिशन को क्या ट्रांजिशन होना चाहिए वो देखने के लिए ट्रांजिशन में होता है. You can apply transition effects to single slide as well as the multiple slides or all slides at the same time. मतलब एक ही ट्रांजिशन सभी को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दैट यू कैन कस्टमाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विश. फॉलो द स्टेप्स टू ऐड द ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट्स. सो कैसे करना देख. Select the slide, for example first slide which you want to do, and go for the transitions, go for the transition or the animation, animation. You will get them a transition to the slide group. So there you will get the different groups, that is no transition, fades or dissolve, wires, etc. Okay, these are the mainly the let us see once about the how to insert the text or animation to it. See, now understood, all of you understood I think about view. For example, now I am writing class 7 करके मैं टाइप किया था. तो फॉर दिस आई मेड द क्विक स्टाइल, कोई भी क्विक स्टाइल में किया था. ओके, now if I want to apply the animation to this particular text or particular object, now I have to go to the animations, custom animation, add effect, entrance में कौन सा effect होना चाहिए, diamond. So diamond shape you will get class 7. Are able to see. On click होना चाहिए तो on click, और previous होने तो previous से आना चाहिए. और direction inside or outside that you can see. Speed medium or fast or slow that you can see. से फास्ट है देखो, वेरी स्लो, स्लो है तो स्लो पे आएगा, देख रहा है. वेरी स्लो, स्लो बहुत स्लो में आ रहा है. वेरी फास्ट बहुत फास्ट में आ रहा है. सो इन दिस वी कैन प्ले अराउंड इट. सो हाउ कैन if you don't want that one, you can remove directly in this slide animation, that is using the remove. So okay, and you can get the timing also, how much time after the previous click or after clicking. So तुरंत आना चाहिए और डिले कुछ 0.5 सेकंड्स आना चाहिए, दैट यू कैन डू. और इफेक्ट भी देख सकते हैं, और कौन सा इफेक्ट और साउंड अगर देना है तो साउंड भी दे सकते हैं. देखो साउंड भी आएगा. Okay, you can change it. So these are the mainly the about adding the animation to the particular text. So a animation can be applied to the object or the text or the table or a graphic or any image or audio or video, audio nahi hoga, a video. So that all things can be applied using this animation. Now this slide. So slide, agar new slide insert karna, right click करके new slide. So for example, for this slide I want the animation like dissolve करके चाहिए. इसका जो transition sound रखा था, I will not keep the sound. Transition will be medium, slow transition होगा. Then after second slide में देखो, second slide I will do this transition. So like this you can apply the transition and you can preview or slideshow. You can see this is the transition I done. After clicking second slide, you are getting the second slide empty. So in this way you can perform the different animation or for the particular slide or transition, applying a particular object inside the slide or transition to the particular slide. You can do the settings here. You can add the sound if you want. You can add the transition speed. Okay, like this you can insert all the objects. You can insert the picture, you can insert clip art, you can insert photo album, you can insert different shapes, and you can apply chart. You can insert chart, you can insert hyperlink, you can insert text box, you can insert header and footer, you can insert word art, you can insert date and time, you can insert slide number and symbols, different objects, movie, sound. So all things can be inserted. The next class we will see how to insert and how to insert hyperlink and how to insert hyperlink or action to the object, and how to insert an object from the other source, and how to add the media clips or how to add the sound to the animation. And at the end of this chapter we are going to learn about how to make the quiz for your co-curricular activity which you are using in your school. So quiz kaise banana hai, so that we'll see, and also I'll show one quiz by making in the video form. After that, next video I'll show how to make one quiz also using this all the insert objects and insert table, or insert using the different animation effects or different transition effects. How can we do that? I'll discuss in the next video. Okay, hope all of you understood. This is a very simple chapter, this third chapter, very simple chapter we are learning. सबको पता है, most of you know, but still वीडियो देखने में और ये पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है, क्योंकि ये भी बोल रहे सर, ठीक है, बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कुछ लोग तो ये भी पढ़ा नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई, कुछ लोग को ये भी पता नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग इन दिस वीडियो एज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर यू हैव टू लर्न. नाउ बाय द मीन टाइम यू मेक द presentation using the animation, that is what I told, custom animation and the slides. So make the presentation on computer computer hardware internal and external, on computer hardware internal and external जो डिवाइड किया था, स्प्लिट किया था, उसका एक प्रेजेंटेशन बना के मेरे को गूगल क्लासरूम में भेज देना. और मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर गूगल क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट्स एंड यू आर नॉट सबमिटिंग, एंड दोज आर सबमिटिंग दे आर नॉट शेयरिंग देयर pages or their pages of the assignment copy. So please write the assignment and the assignment copy and share that copy images on the Google Classroom. Clear all of you? Clear all of you? Thank you. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off.